Hello, hello! It is time for this week's Dollar Tree haul, so hopefully some of the items I show you today will be available when you go to your local Dollar Tree. So first of all, I thought that these were really cute. They do have the pinwheels normally, so this is the first time I have ever seen them with the flower in the center. I thought it was so pretty. I put them around my pool in the summertime, so I'm going to be a little colorful this year, and they did have different colors and different flowers, so hopefully you'll get lucky and find one or two to dress up your yard this summer. Then I got this really cute little mat. It's not really a heavy duty one, but I thought it was really cute. Everybody that watches me knows I have a little beagle who has my heart, and it says, "You had me at woof." And I thought that this would be cute because I like to put her water bowl on something, so I thought that I can do this, or she may choose to lay on it. We'll have to see because Lulu is the boss. So these are really cute, and these are in the section like Home Goods where they have different things for the house, and they have rugs and things, so you might want to check there. Otherwise, maybe ask if they have them or if they came in. So this was a newer item that just came out. I was so lucky, and this, I don't even know where they are in the store. It was misplaced in the store, like by the candy section or something, and I grabbed it immediately. I want to do this year for the birds in my yard. So I want to kind of dress it up a little bit, and it's got a little hanger here. This was the only one that I can find. It is a Dollar Tree item. So I'm going to post the link for Dollar Tree below. So if you want, this is called a terrarium planter, and I will put the SKU down below as well. So if you want to keep checking Dollar Tree website to see if they have these available, you might want to do that. But these are super duper cute, and I just wanted to share it with all of you. I was so excited because the birds do make nests in my backyard. Then they have all these little cute little lip glosses, and now that Easter is right around the corner, these are really cute. It's a little diamond. They had them in several different colors, and they are a lip gloss, so I like to put these in little baskets when I make those. The weather changes so drastically. I have the ones that are like a candlestick, but this is a new LED taper candle, and they are really bright. So I buy these so if the power does go out in the summertime, this is safe. You can keep them on. The kids can even carry them around, and I just thought it was something that I wanted to add to my emergency kit for the spring and summer with the weather changing. I've been wanting to make something with their hanging baskets, which just came out. So you'll want to get one of these and one of these if you can find them, because I do hang these in my yard across the fence, and I plant little flowers. And I am going to be doing a video on how I'm going to get my flowers started, because normally it used to be you could start to plant after Mother's Day, but I have been finding that it's 2 or 3 weeks in, so that the frost, once in a while we get that. So we have more than enough time to sprout our little seeds that I got at Dollar Tree. So I'll be posting a video soon on that. But that is something completely different than what I'm going to make out of this. So you'll have to stay tuned. Then they had these cute little bunnies. The only thing that I didn't like about it is there is stuffing in here. So I am going to open this up, and I am going to stuff it and make it even fluffier. If you'd like, I can do a quick video on how I'm going to do mine, and we're going to turn this into an actual stuffed toy, because the way it is, you are supposed to hang it, but it doesn't have enough firmness to even like put it in a wreath if you wanted. I think it would be much cuter if it was fluffier, and all you have to get is that stuffing that they sell at the craft stores. Okay, so I got that. I am making a wreath for Easter in the next few videos, and I thought these were really cute. They did have them in different colors. I believe they had pink and purple. These were up front by the kiosk at my store. So those are the places that I usually hit, because those front kiosks sometimes have the newer items. Oops, I have it upside down. So these run on batteries, and I thought that these would be really cute in a new wreath. Then I got this, which I thought was really cute. Everybody that watches me on my Facebook channel knows that I love coffee, and I thought this was really cute for coffee notes. If you're looking to put a basket together, say for Mother's Day, and she drinks coffee, maybe this is something that you would want to include. Again, these are up front by the kiosk. Then I really wanted a pair of these. I'm not fond of the color. 910 seems to be a very popular color. Not color, size. They have these in pink camouflage. They have them in black and white zebra, but the 910 sells out very quickly. They had the small and they had the extra large, which is the 11 and 12. It seems like you can always get those, but they have a nice soft bottom. They are like a fur here, and I thought that they were nice for the backyard. I don't know if I'd wear them out. But they are like a slipper, so a summer slipper if you wanted to look and see if they have them. Again, these are up front in the kiosk section where those little rolling kiosks are, so check that out. Then I have been wanting to make a rug, and I have a different idea to share with all of you. So these are in the houseware rug department where they have like the throw rugs and things like that, and this is the backing. Now, if you did want to take just yarn and make your own design, say you wanted to make a heart, all you would have to do is put a big heart and cut it out. And if you remember that hook loop, you know, where you hook and loop, you can do that with these and make your own instead of buying the kit. So I want to show you guys my idea, and we'll be doing that one really soon. These are brand new. I thought that this was a reasonable price. It's an all-in-one home office kit. These are hanging in my store in the pen and paper department, across from the school supplies, but it has paper clips. It has one roll of adhesive tape included. So it's got 100 pieces in here. So that's the back side of what's in there. And it's great to keep on your desk or your kitchen counter when you need to grab something quickly. So these were only $1. So fun. Then I got this. It's in the toy section, but I was thinking with spring coming and blooming that maybe we could make a cute wreath, and we might paint these to make them look a little bit more realistic, but we have the shape there that we can work with, and we can make a wreath and hang it on there. So they have these in the kids section, and there's a carrot and corn and a pepper. So all we would have to do is paint them to look a little bit more realistic, and we can make a cute spring summer wreath with the vegetables, because now we're all planting. Then, as I said, Dollar Tree on occasion does sell yarn, and these are always right in front of the store when I walk in. They don't last long. I was actually going to make a cute little hat for this for an infant because I do loom knit. Maybe come the fall I can do a video and show you guys how I do my hats, but they had these, and they do have other different types of yarn, so you might want to look in your craft section, but the yarn at Dollar Tree does not last long. These would also make a really cute pom-pom, so you might want to check out the video that I just did with the tulle pom-poms. It's under tutorials, and scroll all the way down. You will see the video for the little pom-poms that I just made out of tulle. Okay, so these would be really cute as a pom-pom. And the last thing I got, which sometimes you get lucky, are the t-shirts. Now, the t-shirts at Dollar Tree are always irregular somewhere. It could be a slight where the arm is a little bit longer, or maybe there are closeout at a store and one didn't sell. You really have to go through the t-shirts. This is a size medium woman's, so this is kind of true to size, but I thought it was really cute. I like to buy a bunch of different t-shirts for the yard. I usually ruin them with the chlorine for the pool. So for $1, you can't go wrong, especially for the kids. Now, the Dollar Tree at my store normally does sell t-shirts for the adults and the kids, so you want to keep an eye out for those. I have another fun haul coming. It's completely different than anything that I've done before, so you'll want to subscribe. And now that the weather is going to start getting warmer, all those Dollar Tree hauls that I have put away, I am going to start giving them away to all of you. So all you have to do for that is, if you are on YouTube, you want to subscribe and you want to comment shared. And we will check all the shares to make sure that the people are playing fairly. And if you're on Facebook, I want you to like my business page, and all those links are below. And then what you have to do is just comment shared and share it on Facebook. So if you're on Facebook and YouTube, you have two chances 2 chances to win. And if you're just on YouTube, that's okay. We're going to do a winner on YouTube, and maybe we'll reverse it to a winner on Facebook, but I will try to make it as fair as possible, and I'm going to start giving all you guys all the fun things that some of you cannot find, and I'm able to get as a complete thank you to all of you for supporting me and helping me through my cancer journey. I am appreciative and humbled by all of you, and we have a lot of fun projects coming up, especially with the spring and summer. I am so excited and happy to be back with all of you. Have a great day and happy shopping at Dollar Tree. Bye now.